Supernatural fans and my very dear brother Stephen, this is what your baby's looking like. As you can tell, everything is completely off this car. This is all going to get cleaned, and then all new parts are going to start being installed. So you're going to get the new sway bar, the new A-arms, the new steering linkages, everything. There in this box here, I went and bought a brand new heater core. So that's going to be installed, and everything will be done. So car is pretty much in primer. I believe Don said this thing's almost ready for paint. Almost, not quite. There's some things that still got to be done, but for the most part, we still got to weld up some of the little trunk holes and stuff like that. And the car still, obviously, this side needs a little bit more primer. I'm sorry the angle here, but I've got another car here beside it. So she's looking really, really good. And then Don still has to fix the dash piece here. So anyway, I wanted to give you an update on your car, what it looks like. Parts, some parts of it, I haven't got them all ordered, but I'm going to be getting them here probably this week. The disc brakes have been ordered. I've got to order the A-arms and then the sway bar and stuff like that. So once this gets all cleaned and painted, then we can start installing everything new, because it's so much easier when it's right here in the open and stuff. So I know it's not much of a video, but at least you can see your car really tore down to nothing. So as soon as we get parts in, and we're jumping back around and trying to get cars out of here. But your car is definitely advancing. So put it that way. So there you go, brother. I will talk to you probably Monday before I go into work. So take it easy, and everybody have a good weekend, and new videos coming next week. Bye.